Meow, I'm a cat today. It's Adskanda. Today, I will teach you how to create consistent character using free tools. You heard it right. Yes, this is a beginner-friendly tutorial, but before that, here's a music video I made.
Checking my phone, it's the same old scene. No sweet surprise, no flowers for the queen. If the effort's too much, then baby, I'm done. I don't need a boy who can't bring the fun. Where's my flowers? Boy, don't you know? Tired of waiting, you're too slow. I'm a queen, I need the crown. If you can't step up, then step down.
And we're back. If you reached this point, thank you so much. That was a lazy edit, I really hate it. Okay, if you're using free tools, the easiest way on creating a consistent character is using an image reference. And we're going to try this with a few tools, and the first one is ChatGPT. Or you can try this with any chat AI that can produce an image. Let's go. Create your image through your preferred AI. Describe it in full details if you can. Assuming that we are satisfied with this output, save it. You can create your face sheet with ChatGPT as well for your future references. Now that we have our main character, let's name her Sophia. It's time to add the elements such as background. Drop the image to ChatGPT to use as reference. Okay, nice. Pretty decent. Let's animate this with Pixaverse. Get your video prompt from any chat AI you preferred and use this in Pixaverse. I'm only using free tokens here and this resets daily. Here's our video, and if you don't like the watermark, upscale it. Let's go back with the image creation, and if we're going to use the same detailed description with another tool, this will give us a different result, a different image of a person. So if I want to create another image of Sophia but using another tool, I'll be using image-to-image technique. And here comes Nana Banana from Google. In comparison, I think they all look the same. With ChatGPT, the elements are accurate, especially the table and ramyon, but Nana Banana gives a more realistic approach. In Google View 2, we're going to animate the image using the same video prompt, the one that we used in Pixaverse. View 2 stays free in Google AI Studio, but with a limited generation of 10, and I really don't know when it resets. Now let's put into comparison Pixaverse and View 2. Obviously, View 2 is much longer, for 8 seconds maximum. Now let's try image-to-image technique with ChatGPT, and we're going to change the clothes and other elements. It did change the clothes and added the snaps, but why are the snaps standing up? Why? Let's move to Nana Banana. I'm using the same prompt I used with ChatGPT. Wow, that's better. Animated in Pixaverse, a little blurry, but it's fine. It's okay. Moving on to another free tool, Google Whisk lets you lock your image references to create something new. This is free for 100 credits a month together with Google Flow. We can create a total of 5 View 3 videos combined with Flow. Wow! We need to create the image first in Whisk, of course, and from there we can animate.
This banana milk is so good. This banana milk is so good.
Comparing everything, Whisk changed the visual feature a little bit, but the video quality is good. Here in Flow, there is ingredients to video that can produce consistent character, but this is available for paid plan or subscription. Your option is using Whisk or combining the elements in Nana Banana And now we are going to use frame to video in Flow using the free credits. Simply upload your image and drop your prompt, and there we have it. Now for the bonus tip, go back to Whisk and you'll see that this tool reverse prompt your image. The description can be used with another tool, but it will give you a different image of a person. Let's try this in Flow. Use this text prompt again for the subject description, and this will give us pretty much the same. In summary, you can use image to video or text to video for consistent character, but the result will differ from each technique. Also, using the same image prompt with various tools will give a different image, so you need to stick to one tool for image generation or try image-to-image technique. I hope you learned a lot from here, and before I reveal the final output, subscribe to my channel if you like this, comment your suggestion, and hope you like my video. Meow.